Hey guys, I've got a new tool here from Ancel. This is the DS100, and what I've got going on here is I've got a brake job on this vehicle, and I've got to replace the hub. These have gears on them, the ABS reluctor, so to speak, and the sensor here reads off the spinning of this hub. And this hub has gone bad. It's also thrown off the sensor. And of course, I had to take the brake pads off. And if you pull off the brake sensor, you get a light. So the two things that I'm going to do with this DS100 that it can do is reset that brake light and also ABS bleeding. So it's a great tool. I'm going to hook it up to the OBS port, and I'll walk you through the menus. So here's a better look at the screen. I've got it plugged into my port on my vehicle. And just real quick, just to show you, if you swipe down from the top, that's how you get to your Wi-Fi. You can also record your screen, snapshots of your screen, those kinds of things. And there's quite a few other features, but on this one, we're talking about the brakes. So I want to do the brake reset. All I got to do is click maintenance. And then from there, I have my ABS bleeding there, my brake pad reset. And then if you've got some gearing, which we're not doing on this one, steering angle reset, battery matching, electronic throttle adaptation, your oil reset. So there's quite a few little features right there. We go to our brake, to your brake menu. From there, you would just select your vehicle. Me to start the car. And then move to installation position, end assembly position, and then it just walks you through it right there. Got a really great screen. One of the things that you do need to do when you get it is make sure you hook it up to your Wi-Fi and get all the updates on all your vehicles. It updates them regularly, but also pay attention because it doesn't do all vehicles. So make sure you before you purchase that you check to make sure that your vehicle is covered.